Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because I am unbagging the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of July, and this one, from what I have seen, is going to be a really good one. I also have one add-on in here which I am excited to see. Before we get into the unbagging, I want to say thank you so much for clicking on this video, giving my little channel a chance. I really appreciate it, and if you do have a moment to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, or turn on notifications, that means the world to me. And I just want to say thank you so much for everything you guys do to support me, my videos, my channel. It just honestly means the world to me. So I just wanted to throw that in there, and let's go ahead and get into this unbagging. Alright, so of course Ipsy goes for $10 a month. I think we kind of all know that. If you're not familiar with their add-ons, they did start doing that a while back, and you can add on items for $3, which are usually deluxe sizes, and then full sizes for $12. There have been some really good things. So let's get into it. So I'm going to start with my add-on product. This is an eyeshadow from Colored Rain. I have not tried a lot from their brand, so I am very happy to have seen this as an add-on and be able to get it. Mine is in the shade Superstar. So here's the packaging. First of all, packaging is gorgeous, just sleek white silver lettering. I love that. And yeah, it's just a simple little one shadow, but this is a really nice size for a shadow. This is a pretty hefty pan, and for $3, like, I had to try it out. I had to know. So again, the shade is called Superstar. Here it is. Here is a swatch. Ooh, gosh, look at that pigment. It's like a flashy metallic. So this is more like a true gold. This looks amazing. I cannot wait to try this. This would even be pretty if I didn't have my little lime green inner corner, just kind of put this on the lid, but I kind of left some space today and just wanted something a little bit more matte, smoky, natural looking, except for that little pop of green. So, but this is going to be so gorgeous. So again, I just added that on for $3, and then everything else is strictly just in my bag. So here is our bag. It's got like a little palm leaf print, if you will. That's what it looks like, and like peachy background so you can see it peeking through. Pink zipper, and a little pull there says Ipsy. Really cute. I like this a lot. This one has more of like that vinyl, you know, faux leathery type of feel, but it feels like a really nice bag. This is going to be great to take with me to the beach. Might put like my phone in it, anything I want to keep safe, because it's got like a nice little protective layer. So let's dive in. Oh my god, that's so funny. I did not see this. That's what the card says. I say that way too much, but it's like, dive in. Let's dive in. Okay. So the first thing I see is from Firma. This is the 204 wide blender brush. So here's what it looks like. I'm liking the handle. It's like a matte looking like off-white, just kind of bronzy looking ferrule. And the bristles look pretty nice. It says that all of Firma Beauty's fab tools are skillfully handcrafted by Japanese artisans. This brush has ultra soft, wide bristles, which means it's ideal for applying shadow evenly and effortlessly with zero streaks or smudges. This does feel like a really high quality brush. I have to say, I'm very impressed with this one. Some of the other ones I get in Ipsy, I'm kind of like, it's hit or miss for me. Sometimes they feel a little bit cheap. This feels very nice. It's not super heavy, so it's really nice and light. You can do your work with it, but I'm very excited to try this brush. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, so when I saw a spoiler, I saw this as one of the like possibilities, and I was like, please let me get that one. So this is the Pacifica Bronzer Blush Duo. It looks so pretty. Their packaging I always think is really gorgeous. And this one's 100% vegan. It's cruelty free. It says buildable blushes and bronzers made just for Ipsy. Oh, will give you a sun-kissed look and rosy sheen in seconds. The compact has a handy mirror in the back, and it does. I'll try not to blind you, but here's a little mirror there. And I didn't realize that this was just made for Ipsy, so I wonder if you can get these like in singles. Are they in a palette? I'm interested to see that. This looks so gorgeous. This is like a perfect little summer duo. It looks like a warmer kind of bronze, and it looks like the blush has a bit of a sheen to it. So here they are on the finger, blush and bronzer. Do a quick little 1-2. Ooh, bronzers a lot of times don't swatch that well in my opinion, but that looks gorgeous. I think these are great summery colors. The blush is kind of like it's like a peachy pink but with a hint of like neutral to it, which is pretty for like a really sun-kissed type of look. I'm actually very, very excited to try this out. I have tried several things from Pacifica, but I am definitely keen to try a lot more. So I'm very excited, and I feel like, I mean, $10 even for this would have been phenomenal in my opinion, and we're already working with this in a brush. So yay! Okay, let's get into the next item. So this is the Ciate Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Here it is. It says it will hydrate, refresh, and prep your skin for makeup. Smooth on this watermelon extract infused primer. It'll boost your glow and help your makeup last longer. So this actually, I just saw this in Sephora. Oh, it kind of looks like little watermelon seeds. I hope you guys can see that, but it's little beads in there that like burst onto the skin. So here's what it looks like. I wanted to make sure you could see the little beads because they just kind of smooth in. You don't really see it. Oh, this smells so good. I love watermelon scented products for some reason. Like, I don't like watermelon candy, but I like the smell of it a lot. It kind of smells like watermelon candy, or it smells like the Glow Recipe, the little ultra fine watermelon mist. If you've tried that, it kind of smells like that. And this one feels very hydrating. It actually feels, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like very comforting to dry skin. It feels super hydrating, and it does have a little bit of a tack to it. Not bad, but a little bit. And I actually like that. I feel like maybe that's just mentally, but I feel like it's going to grip the makeup. So I think this is going to be great, especially under a more matte foundation, because it does look like it gives like a really smooth and hydrated effect. So I'm very happy to try this one out. I was actually like toying with the idea of purchasing it, and I was like, no, I don't need any more primers, but now I can try it. Yay! All right, the next thing is from the Balm. This is the What's the Tea Hot Tea Eyeshadow Mini, and then it says warm shade. Now, do they mean like shade the color, or like throwing shade? Here's the little individual. It's so cute. Their packaging is always like 10 out of 10, entertaining, adorable, so pretty. It says this is a beautiful matte taupe color that lasts for hours. This versatile shade can be worn wet or dry, all over your lids, or as an eyeliner when wet. So let's take a look. Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little swatch, and then we'll show you guys. Okay. So here it is. The packaging is absolutely adorable. The actual pan is kind of like a little teacup. We got little macaroons around their logo. So cute. I think that's adorable. That feels like a really nice shadow. It's like very creamy, buttery feeling. Yes, okay, I'm very excited to try this one. I feel like I could honestly take these two shadows and this brush and like make a really cute look even with just this, but you could totally wear this, like put this in your crease, blend it out really well, and that could be like your whole eyeshadow look on a simple day. We are down to the very last product. This is the Feel Mindful Palo Santo Soothing Mask. It has adaptogenic mushroom and niacinamide. So here is the packaging. It says this brand believes that skincare has the potential to change your world, and they're not wrong. This mask is infused with energy clearing Palo Santo essential oil, adaptogenic mushrooms, lavender, and chamomile. Okay, so it's meant to kind of soothe and calm sensitive skin. I hope this smells like the little... Yes, it does. Okay, so I don't know if you guys saw me unbox the Kinder beauty box. I've only done one of those. But when I unboxed it, it had like little wood tied together, and I was like, what the hell is this? But it was like little Palo Santo woods, and it smells, I don't know, it just smells like comforting and homey. So I just want to kind of rub this in and see. It feels nice. So it says that you apply a thick layer onto dry skin, leave on for 10 minutes or longer, wash off with warm water, and pat dry. Use as needed. So this is a rinse off mask, but it just feels super nourishing, super moisturizing to the skin. That scent smells so nice. It's like, that's like what you want your house to smell like when you walk in. It's just like warm and very inviting. So yeah, a little bit different for a skincare product, but I'm into it. I'm not mad at that at all. And I have tried a few things from their brand, and each time I've been pretty impressed. So to sum up what we got in our bag, got the little palm print bag, the Pacifica blush and bronzer. We got the Firma 204, that wide blender brush, the Ciate Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer, the little balm eyeshadow, and then finally the Feel Mindful Mask. So I think this is a really, really good bag. This might actually be one of my like all-time favorite ones, because I can honestly say I am excited to try every single one of these products. I feel like each one has really nice quality. Like sometimes it can can be a little hit and miss, and of course you're not gonna like everything in every bag, but I am very, very happy with this one. So thank you to Ipsy for making such a good bag for me, and also really stoked to try out the Colored Rain eyeshadow. I can't wait to dive in and play with that really soon. So that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of July, and yeah, I have my Ipsy Glam bag Plus coming soon. I usually get that one. Oh wow, I feel like I usually get that one earlier than this one, but I will have that one coming very soon. As soon as I get that in, I will unbox it for you as well. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, hanging out with me for a little bit, and checking out this Ipsy bag. I do have one more little thing to take care of, and that is our dad joke. If you don't want to stick around, I totally understand, but if you're here for it, let's see what our dad joke is. I heard there's a new shop called Moderation. They have everything in there. Everything in moderation. Okay, yeah. That one wasn't that funny, but it was clever, you know, that kind of like, okay, that type of thing. All right, but that is our dad joke. Thank you again if you stuck to the end. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up, and I will be seeing you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.
Mindful Palo Santo suit. This is the Feel Mindful. This is the Feel, I don't know why I can't say this.